Welcome to Asiana Steno classes. English dictation exercise 1 start. It has been brought to the notice of the government that in the cases of private citizens who were killed in terrorist action long ago, the condition of applying within a period of 6 months for compensate appointments is causing hardship to the families of such private citizens because most of the affected families residing in remote areas are not aware of this policy of the government. Full stop. The matter has been considered by the government and it has been decided that in the condition of applying for compassionate appointment within a period of 6 months may be liberalized to the extent that the request for compassionate appointment by eligible dependent member can be made within a period of 2 years instead of 6 months from the date of death. Stop. However, in cases where no dependent member in the family of the deceased government stop employees becomes eligible for compassionate appointment within the prescribed period of 2 years from the date of death due to their being underage, the request for compassionate appointment in such cases can be made within a period of 6 months after any of the dependent member in the family becomes eligible for compassionate appointment. Full stop para. As regard the request for compassionate appointments in the past cases where death took place long ago, say about 5 years, and which are not covered under the policy stated above. Such request may be considered keeping in view the ruling of the Supreme Court of India that the concept of compassionate appointment is largely related to the need for immediate assistance to the families on the passing away of the breed banner. Full stop. The very fact that the family has been able to manage somehow all these years should normally be adequate proof to show that the family had some dependable means of subsistence. Full stop. Therefore, examination of such cases calls for a great deal of circumspection. Full stop. The applicant has to justify the delay in submitting the application for compassionate appointment, and where sufficient justification is not forthcoming, such request need to be rejected invariably. Full stop. The decision in such cases may be taken at the level of the administrative secretary of the concerned department where appointment is considered in the case of dependent member of a deceased government employee. Stop. In case of private citizens killed in terrorist action, the decision may be taken by the administrative secretary of that department where the appointment is considered in consultation with the Department of Relief and Resettlement full stop. However, where balloted requests have already been rejected by this department, the matter need to be considered afresh. Stop. In case where death took place more than 5 years ago and no request was made for compassionate appointment despite the fact that an eligible dependent member was available for appointment after the death, such balloted request, if made, should not be entertained because the delay in such cases an adequate proof to show that the family had some dependable means of subsistence. Full stop.